Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Gadget Guy, the channel where we take everyday tech and give you the no-nonsense scoop, so you know what's worth your money and what's just meh. Today, we're diving into the WOLFBOX G850, a 12-inch 4K rear-view mirror dash cam with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, and a bunch of safety-focused features that promise to level up your driving experience. I've been testing it for a couple of weeks now, highway drives, city traffic, day and night, and I've got the full breakdown for you. So, is this smart mirror camera actually a smart buy? Let's get into it. First impressions and installation. Straight out of the box, the G850 looks impressive. It's got a sleek 12-inch touchscreen mirror with minimal bezels, and the reflective finish means it still works as a standard rear-view mirror when powered off. It feels well made, not cheap plastic like some other dash cams in this space. Now, installation? Easier than I expected. You attach the G850 right over your existing rear-view mirror using the included straps, and then run the cable to the rear camera, either through your car's interior trim or along the roof lining. It took me about 45 minutes from unboxing to fully installed, with no drilling required. If you're even slightly handy, you can absolutely do this yourself. Display and touchscreen quality. Let's talk about that display. The 12-inch IPS touchscreen is bright, sharp, and super responsive. The real standout here is the 4K front camera resolution, which gives you a super detailed live feed, especially useful for picking up plate numbers or capturing small details in case of an incident. The rear camera feeds in at 1080p, which is still clear and totally usable for reversing, parking, or just getting a wide-angle view of what's behind you. Touch controls are intuitive. Swipe up or down to adjust the angle of the camera, left or right to switch views, or tap the screen to access the menu. It's honestly one of the best UI experiences I've seen on a mirror cam. Camera performance, day and night. So, let's get into camera quality, because that's the heart of any dash cam. During the day, both the front and rear cameras deliver excellent clarity. The 4K front cam captures crisp video with great color balance and very little distortion. License plates are easy to read even from a distance, and you get a nice wide 170-degree field of view. At night, the G850 holds up surprisingly well. It uses a Sony STARVIS sensor, which helps with night vision clarity, so even in low light or dimly lit roads, you still get usable footage. I drove through some heavy rain and late-night back roads, and I was impressed by how well the rear cam handled oncoming headlights without blowing out the image. It's not quite military-grade night vision, but for real-world driving, it does the job. Smart features: Wi-Fi, GPS, voice control. Here's where things start to feel really futuristic. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi is a major upgrade over the older 2.4 GHz systems. You can connect the G850 to your phone using the WOLFBOX app and download video clips fast. Like actually fast, not go make coffee fast. It's perfect for grabbing footage after an incident or just sharing cool driving moments. You also get built-in GPS tracking, so every video is stamped with speed and location data. Super useful for insurance claims or proving you weren't speeding when that guy swerved into your lane. And yes, there's voice control. You can say things like turn on screen, record video, or lock video, and the G850 actually responds. It's not as smooth as Alexa or Siri, but it works, and it's a great hands-free feature while driving. Parking mode and safety functions. When your car's parked, the G850 doesn't sleep on the job. It has parking surveillance mode, which can record motion or impact events even when the car is off, assuming it's hardwired or paired with a power bank setup. So if someone backs into you or tries to mess with your vehicle while you're inside a store, you've got it on camera. There's also a G sensor that automatically locks footage during collisions, loop recording, and even reversing guidelines when you're backing up. It's these little additions that help make the G850 more than just a dash cam. It's basically a second set of eyes for your car. What we loved. Here's a quick recap of what really stood out. 4K front plus 1080p rear recording, high clarity even in tricky lighting. Large responsive touchscreen, easy to use while driving. Fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, quick video transfer to your phone. Voice control, actually usable for hands-free operation. Excellent night vision, thanks to the Sony STARVIS sensor. Parking mode and G sensor, peace of mind when you're not in the car. Easy installation. No pro help needed if you're a bit tech savvy. What could be better? But of course, no product is perfect. Here are the areas where the G850 could improve. Rear camera is only 1080p. Decent, but 2K would have been nice for sharper footage. Needs hardwiring for full features, like parking surveillance, which may turn off casual users. Voice control is limited. Works, but not super advanced. Glare in bright sun. The mirror finish can get reflective during midday driving. Final verdict and rating. So, is the WOLFBOX G850 worth it? If you're looking to upgrade your dash cam and want something that combines smart features, top-notch resolution, and daily driver reliability, the G850 delivers big. It's not just about recording accidents. It's about making your car smarter, safer, and easier to navigate, whether you're reversing in a tight parking lot or cruising down the freeway. My rating? A strong 8.6 out of 10. It's well-designed, reliable, packed with useful features, and priced competitively for what it offers. If they bump up the rear cam resolution and refine the voice controls in a future model, we might be looking at a 9+. Want to check it out? If the WOLFBOX G850 sounds like a good fit for your ride, I've dropped a link in the description below where you can check it out on Amazon. You'll see the full spec sheet, real buyer reviews, and the latest pricing. No pressure, but if you use the link, it helps support the channel and keeps these reviews coming. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you've got questions or let me know which dash cam you're rocking right now. This is Modern Gadget Guy, and I'll catch you in the next one.